Hello and welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. So in our today's meal on a budget, we're going to do egg curry. So for the egg curry, you obviously need boiled and shelled eggs. I'm working with 8 eggs, 1 large onion chopped, buttermilk or maziwa mala. You'll also need crushed garlic and ginger, tomato paste. You can use blended tomatoes instead of tomato paste, and you'll also need coriander. For the spices, these are personal preferences. They vary with individuals, but at least have curry powder, a turmeric or paprika, one of those should work, and cumin seeds. So I'll start by seasoning the boiled eggs, and for this I'll use curry powder, turmeric and paprika. I'll share the exact measurements on the description box for those who want to do the exact same recipe. In case you're wondering why we're doing this step, it's to allow the eggs to be infused with the spices, and at the same time we give these eggs a permanent yellowish color. Unlike when you don't, you'll have your egg curry but the eggs will be white and not so appealing. So as that goes on, let's go back to our maziwa mala, and we need to add some flavor to it. I'm going to use the same spices that I showed you earlier. These are now ready, so we go on to making the curry now. Add the onions, ginger and garlic when the cumin seeds start popping. Don't let them burn. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the recipes I share here. I'm making a cut through the egg white, and this is to add more flavors into the egg when in the curry. So I'll do this for all of them. So the curry is done. You can see it came out so perfectly. You can serve this with your favorite starch. Tell me you don't like this one. I would like to see your comments what you think about this egg curry.